Good morning. Well, I haven't been to bed. Every year, our True Value does a deal. Sort of like Black Friday, but not on Black Friday. They do it on today. But their deal is 50% off everything you can fit in a 5-gallon bucket, excluding power tools and excluding sale items. So everything that you can fit into a 5-gallon bucket is on sale, half off. So I went out this morning and I bought some things. Some things that I need, some things that I'll use, and this is what I got. This is my 50% off at True Value haul. So first things first, I got gloves. Can't have too many gloves. I like wearing gloves. It's just easier. I got 3 of those. I got this invisible glass. I got Scratch Doctor. And I actually got 2 of those. I got gummy worms because I was standing in line. Why not? I got 2 things of electrical tape, 50 cents each. I got 2 of these True Fuel cans, regular $7, $3.50 a piece, which is still more than a gallon of gas, but that's okay. I got utility blades. Can never have too many razor blades. So I got a 100 pack of those. I needed some random screws sitting around the house, so I got these 2. Just random screws I picked up off the shelf. Fun story. I was working on my fence and I placed all of my Torx bits. They were in a container. I placed them on the bumper of one of my cars and drove away. So I lost all my Torx bits. So I got Torx bits. Polishing compound. 2 pencils. Don't know why. I like using pencils. These kinds of pencils. Construction pencils are good to have. 2 razor blades, like the long razor blade kind. These wire guard twist-on wire connectors. Got those. I got all kinds of connectors for doing electrical. Some fell out of the package. I got 3 of the straight razor blades, 3 5-packs. These are good for doing gaskets and stuff when you can't use the big triangle ones. These are good for getting into small spaces. So I'm a big fan of picking locks, and so I've got a few locks. This one. And 2 of these master locks. I also got these. This is 2 master locks. They use the same key, but the keen among you will see there's no key. So I bought 2 padlocks with no keys. But luckily, I have my lock picking kit here, and we can get my tools. Let's see here. Let's use Let's use this one here. Let's use this one here. Stick that in there, and then this guy. And we'll pick this. And we have 2 locks. Now, I think I'm still going to return these and get ones with a key, because well, just in case I ever need to use them for real, I'll have ones with keys. But I was thinking maybe subconsciously I bought this one without the key, and like my head knew that it didn't have a key, but not really, and I just picked it up off the shelf. I don't know. There we go. So pretty simple to undo these. Like I said, I'm still going to take these back, see if I can get it with a key, and hopefully they let me exchange it, because you know, today is like the half off deals. So hopefully they let me do that. So there's those, and I also got handles for my dresser. I got round ones for the bottom part, and then these square ones for the top. We've been missing one or two of the handles off there for a while. It just came that way. So I was like, ah heck, for 50% off, these are like, let's see, I have the receipt here somewhere. These were $1.89 each and $1.69 each. So this is what I got from True Value today. And I also got a bucket. So you can't complain about a bucket. You did have to pay full price for the bucket, which $7. I saved a lot more than $7 on all this. Since we're here, I'll show you guys my little collection of locks. This is all the locks that I've purchased or acquired somehow. I have opened all of these by picking, except for this one. This is the only one that I cannot get. And just out of curiosity, I'm just going to try it real quick. Yeah, I still can't get it. Now we can go install these. Going to need just a basic Phillips head. Just go with this one. This right here is what it looks like. I guess we're only missing one, but I can't find that one anywhere. So you can see I got 6 for the top, and then 12 for the bottom. There's the first 3 off. You can't really notice a difference, but in real life I can notice a difference. It looks a lot better. Check this out. I got this earlier today. This is a miniature snap-on box, and it's got like the, at least in 3 of them, it's got the little pads, but the top 2 don't have the little pads. I thought that was pretty cool, pretty neat. I mean, it's not very big, but might be able to hold something fun and cool in it. Just set it right up there. Maybe I can put like, I don't know, something in it. I need to put all this stuff away. And then another thing that I need to do, I really need to get on these, but I need to see about doing a little bit of buffing on my Dodge Dart, because it's got some scratches I need to get rid of. That's why I got the polishing compound and the scratch doctor. So I'm going to give that a shot and see what kind of results we can get. I spent some of the afternoon doing some buffing on my car, trying to get some of the scratches out. There's a lot more than I anticipated when I went to go polish it. I am not a buffer polisher. I'm not good at that. I did do a good job in the parts that I did do, but it's no professional job whatsoever. And then I'm just trying to figure out like what I need to do to make it better, what stuff I need to buy, and then, you know, once I buy that stuff, it's just going to get cold, and then I'm not going to be able to do it. Plus having a place to do it, you know, not outside, would probably be preferable. Maybe I can convince my dad to let me use his shop to polish the car. Just doing it outside in direct sunlight isn't the best. You don't get the right angle of the light. Having a light like right where you need it is really good for seeing scratches. Well, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, which means I have 2 hours to get this edited and uploaded. So I'm going to do that. Thank you guys a ton for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell. I'll see you tomorrow.